For the right vehicle, check out the 2016 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.